So this was one pivot table. Okay, the next thing we will talk about is calculated fields. All right, calculated fields. So can we write calculations and work with calculated fields on pivot data? We can do that. So I'm going to create one more pivot table now on the copy chain data itself, and it's in a new sheet. We will use this for the practicing the concept of calculated fields. All right. Swarupa, all the time, if you want the dollar sign only to appear and not the rupee symbol or anything, your system locale has to be changed. See, depends on your system locale. Okay, because we are in India, it is giving us a rupee symbol all the time. If you change your system locale to US, it will give you dollar sign all the time. Okay. Now let's give a name also to this pivot table. Comes under here. This is for calculated fields. Practice. Okay, so there should not be a space. Calculated fields. All right. Now let's say for various products arranged as rows, I would like to check what is the profit that they make by taking it to the values shelf. So here's the profit. And I'm also interested in looking at what is the budget profit, which is nothing but target profit. Okay. So I will take it in here. So for every product, we can see what is the actual profit. Let's rename this to actual profit made by the business. Okay. And this is the target. So what coffee chain people are doing, or what data they have given us, is for every product, they have defined a target that it is supposed to meet. They expect that each product should make so and so profit. All right. Now, this is what they made in reality, the actual profit that these products made. Now, I would like to check the difference between the actual profit and the target profit. All right. Now, how do I get the difference? How can I bring the difference between the actual and target profit? So what I will do is, on the pivot table analyze contextual ribbon that comes up, here is an option called as fields, items, and sets. So when we click here, there is an option to create calculated field. When I choose the option for creating a calculated field, the window that helps me create a calculation and insert that into the pivot table comes up. We can give a name to our calculated field over here. I will call it difference. Okay. And the formula, you need to type it here in the formula box. So my formula is, I would like to take the profit. Okay. So I'll just select profit and click on the add button. All right. So let me just type in profit. Sorry, not add button. Sorry, insert field. Okay. We must click on insert field. So I'll select profit and click on insert field, or you could directly do a type. You can type in minus budget profit. Okay, so let me insert that field. Profit minus budget profit. Even if you don't give those quotations, it is fine, it will work. I'll just put this in brackets, which is also not required, but I'm doing it to give you a clarity. So what am I doing? I would like to compute the difference between the actual profit and the target. Actual profit is in the field named profit, and target profit is in the field named budget profit. Okay, and we're getting the difference between the two. Simple, straightforward formula. Once I click on OK here, you will notice how the difference is computed and displayed. All right, let's do one thing. Let us change the currency. Look neat, everything. So you can see how it has computed the difference. How is it showing us the difference? Wherever the difference is negative, it is simply enclosed in brackets. And wherever the difference is positive, you can see the number. So if the difference is negative, what would it mean? Let's just call this difference, not sum over. Let's just call it difference. Okay. If the difference is difference between actual and target. Okay, this is what I'm calling it. If the difference is negative, what would it mean? It means that that particular product could not reach the target given to it. It missed the target. That is why the difference is negative. And by how much value did it miss the target? It missed the target by $2,130. If you look at latte, the actual profit is 11,375. What was expected from it? 10,100. So it has clearly performed well. It went beyond the expectation, right? So the difference is positive. And by how much did it exceed the expectation? By 1,275. Okay. Mocha, the actual profit is 17,678. What was expected of it? 23,280. It missed the target. It could not reach the goal. And by how much did it miss the goal? Here. By 5,602, it missed the goal. So I hope you're able to understand.